What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fix It Garage. We are back out here on track for the third round of the OR SCCA Autocross. It feels so good to be back in this car. We have only made one small change from the last event. We re-gapped our spark plug so it runs a little bit better, but other than that, no changes were made. It's dry weather out, so we're gonna see how the tires and some of the setup changes are working now that I have the better weather. So we're about to head out for our first run. Let's see how today goes. First run's in the books. It looked pretty good looking back at it. I was definitely not probably on throttle enough in some spots, but we're gonna make a few changes for the second run with our driving style and see what happens. I love the fact that we're out in the dry weather because I really get to see what this car might be able to do as we head closer to like Packwood and our away events. This is a great time to just fine tune the car. So let's go out and have fun on our second run.
Justin Whitney going to be next to finish in the Toyota 86. There for Jake. Dan getting all excited about supercharger noises leaving the line. It was two.
Number 5. Yeah, that's like gaggle.
Coming through the finish. I hear steering tires in the finish box. Maybe 46 to 44.
All right, run 2 in the books, and we improved by a second, which puts us 10th in class, currently sitting with one more scored run to go. I pushed in a lot of spots. There's one spot where I kind of overdid it, but if I back off there and push a little more in 2 other places, we can probably get into the 39s, which would be awesome for today. However, I don't know if you can see this. It's starting to rain a little bit, but we're not going to let that stop us. We do have all-wheel drive, and we're going to try and take advantage of that on our third run. This has been a really, really fun layout. I really like doing those big loops at the start with that little quick finish on the second half of the course. So let's go head out for run number 3.
too. So we're working our way through in Georgetown. Nate the winner was 138 plus 1 Jason. That's your second, third round. And just a reminder, organism FPG 49.464, turn 1 for Jessica. So we're going to slot her second in. And Jen Muir in with a 48.218 in XA Pro Pack Ladies. That will move her.
Damn it, not enough grip. Run 3 is done, and it didn't quite go to plan. It's definitely raining out, so I went out a little too aggressive out of the gate, and the car understeered pretty bad. And then I saw everybody else in that skid pad section kind of sliding, so I tiptoed around it probably a little too much when I should have been a little bit more aggressive, because I didn't really feel the back end sliding too much. So I kind of wasted a good opportunity, but still it was a ton of fun. Now we have our last fun run to go, and then we're gonna be all done for this first event. So let's go get ready for our final run.
We're going back to S2 with Jason Becker in the 2022 BLZ, also running B Street. 697 scratch time. 2021. That's the WRS. Right, that looks like DRZ. So Teddy winner, the 44.27. In the 2006 Coyote Motorsport Mazda Miata running Pro-Pack Ladies on Model 3. Getting good run in the book. Today, 23, 609, coming in with the Daniel. I'm going to bump him up.
Yeah.